Kral Matyáš. The mighty King Matyáš was elected by his people in the legendary Gosposvetsko field, where our forefathers selected their leaders. He lived in the Keren castle in Carinthia and would leave his castle doors open day and night for the poor. He was a good and honest king. Everybody found help, justice, and shelter in his home. He minted gold coins, and his reign was a golden age in Carinthia. However, King Matyáš still had enemies, and the other kings gathered a vast army to attack him. During their battles, King Matyáš and 100 of his soldiers, who survived the battle, took shelter in a cave under the Pitza mountain. The mountain itself opened and hid King Matyáš and his men in a safe cave inside. The soldiers and their king were tired and fell asleep in the cave. King Matyáš fell asleep behind a stone table, and legends say that when his beard grows long enough to wind around the stone table 7 times, the king will awaken. On that day, a green lime tree will grow in front of the cave, even if it's the middle of winter. The beautiful tree will blossom when King Matyáš lays his shield on it. The king and his men will once again rise to overcome all their enemies. They will chase injustice out of the world and bring about a golden age of peace and happiness for all.